What's crack-a-lackin'? Today I wanted to ask y'all, do y'all do last minute calls? And if someone does give you a last minute call, what do you do? What do you do? Do you go and give up your other work? Do you make room for them to fit them in and get that money? Or would you reschedule? And you give appropriate time where you can come out and clean them. This is a repeat customer. So what do you do? What do you do when the call is an emergency? Not so much an emergency where if you don't come out, will they be upset? No. Will they worry about it? No. But will they reschedule? No. You will have all types of scenarios. I have a call to do a house that I'm going to today. They called me yesterday at the last minute. And they needed it done by Sunday. And now Sunday is their family reunion in their backyard. And the house that I did was 110 windows just on the outside alone. It took me 8 hours or whatever to get the house done because it was extremely dirty and it hadn't been done for years. Before that, the house was sitting. So they called me to have the windows done before the family reunion. This was yesterday. So that means I have to do it today if I want to get that money. Now, if I never said that I could come out and do it, they would just let the windows be dirty. Either that or try to find somebody else. At such short notice, I highly doubt that they would find anyone to come out. This is why customers stick with me, because in case of emergency, I'm on call 24/7. That's my part of my thing when they come and see my info on the internet. I'm available 24/7 for emergency cases for high clientele only. Now, why would I do this? Why? Because this is a good customer. This is my second cleaning. And he pays good. And he's a lawyer. And these people, if I come out here to show him that I can be there for him, he will be there for me if the situation presents itself. So hard work does never go unnoticed. When you do right by people, people will do right by you. So he only wants 8 windows done. Now we all know that customers don't really count windows up correctly. So I'm charging him for my time by the hour. Hey man, it's $100 minimum for me to come out. I never had to say that, but you gotta cover yourself when they start to look at the price. Next time they'll come out, they'll call me to do what I'm supposed to be doing and won't wait at the last minute. This is the penalty that they have to pay. And they can either take it or leave it. Will you come out at a moment's notice the next day? I sure will, but you're gonna pay for that too. These are just ideas, and you don't have to give up. And if you're on route work that day and not any other houses, obviously you can't cancel them because it doesn't make sense. You know, it was just convenient that no one's calling me for houses. And I put my houses priority first over my route work because they can wait for me to get there. So for me to have to do that, a company that can come out at a moment's notice is a high value and a necessity for some homeowners who want to wait to the last minute. Price, you can't put a price on that. It's priceless. Okay? So not only am I providing service, I'm being there whenever they call me. I'm there. Whenever they need me, I'm there. You can't put a price on that. The convenience factor outweighs anyone, especially if they're charging top dollar. So we're going to take you on this little trip. We're going to take you on this little trip to see this house, to do it. And there's a contest coming up. This is part 1 video. Yeah, so there's a contest coming up. And we're having a scavenger hunt. Those who would like to get involved with the scavenger hunt, you know, it's just something a little fun, and then you get to win something. I wasn't going to say what y'all were going to win. It was going to be a surprise. Because if I do say something, maybe there won't be enough people participating in the scavenger hunt. I want enough people to participate. I want everybody to have the same, you know, odds as anyone else. You know, if it's just 1 or 2 people, you know, obviously the odds are better. But I want everybody to have a chance. You know, so what you're going to win is my portable Mall's portable setup for your traditional squeegees. Now, there will be a flow control valve on there, but it'll be right by the actual sprayer itself, rather than how I have mine, and it's just, you know, towards the pole or the other end of the line, because I have a univalve. That's $100 value. I can't afford to do a giveaway with that and then build all my portable Mall's portable sprayer. That's just too much for me right now. But what I will do is I will install a flow control valve so you still can turn it on and off. And then I will give you some extra line so you can do at least, you know, 20 feet or so. I wouldn't say 20 feet, second story. Maybe about 15, I say about 15, 20 feet. I could give you 5/16 hose, and I will cut them in half, and you will have connectors so you could use them. One for when you have a size where you want to use it in the hand, and then secondly, if you want to use it on a pole, if you have some storefront work. Anything higher than that, you have to get your own hose and add it to it, because I don't know what everyone's going to need. So it's out there. Damn, I'm passing my stops. It's out there, and the contest to win it, you'll have to participate in the scavenger hunt. So these last few videos, including this one and the next one and thereafter, are going to be very important. So pay attention and look for the items that I will say when the contest starts. Just keep it in the back of your mind. You know you've seen something in 1 or 2 videos. What it is anyone's guess, because there's a lot of hidden secrets in these videos, emojis, and I could pick any number one of them. So you'll have to find and remember where you saw these emojis. But I'll see you in video 2 at the house. Macafracker. Peace, peace, peace. Oh, look what we have here. Hi. All right, so
it's,
I see those are real bad.
it's these guys, and then the ones down
on the side there.
on the side, just
That-
below those.
Right.
The challenging thing this time, though, is our koi pond's up and running, and there's koi in there.
Who?
Koi fish.
Oh, I'm like, wait a minute, coins. So what does that mean?
That means no chemicals on those two, and maybe the door.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I could use I'll use my pure water. It's reverse osmosis water, so nothing will get in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. For anything that you think is gonna like spray over to there, I would do that. You should be good on that whole side. Which is what
Okay.
you normally do, but
All right.
I think it's just that.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go get my stuff and get started.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Man, it's hot today.
Uh-huh.
It's like Africa hot out here. All right, as I thought, it's more than 8 windows. As you can see, the state that these windows are in, I can write my name in it. They really tore the windows up. So this is all within pole reach, second floor, and then first floor up here, and then a couple around back. That's it. Starting from there to here, down there, and a couple around back on the side. Now, she has a little pond out here, so she said that I can't use any chemicals. Now, I don't know what koi is, but I wonder if you can eat them. But I guess over in them countries in China, you can pretty much eat anything. Basically, oh, there's some. I think they're pretty expensive. Look, there's quite a few of them in there. I guess it's like a big goldfish. She finally got that cleaned out. Last time it had all sorts of fungus among us in there. Algae and all that. Alright, so let's get to work. I'm using the water-fed pole because I can't use any chemicals. So this is where the value and the service comes into place if they're worried about chemical usage. As soon as I said reverse osmosis, she gave me the thumbs up. So let's get to work.